Object, subject, concept. What, who, idea. I don't know about you, but I would classify myself as a who. But what is a who? Is a who distinct from a what? Or is a who a type of what? Or is a who the only type of what? Is a what contingent upon a who? In metaphysics, materialism is classified as a subset of a view known as metaphysical realism. Metaphysical realism is the view that reality is fundamentally objective rather than subjective. Basically, a subject is a type of object, namely an object with subjective experiences. The distinction here is about whether the mental is contingent upon the non-mental, or whether the non-mental is contingent upon the mental. According to realism, a subject is not experience, but that which has experiences. A subject is not thought, but that which thinks. In other words, something non-mental is a prerequisite for the mental. What we call consciousness is contingent upon non-consciousness, i.e., mind-independent reality. The contrary view is called metaphysical idealism, the view that reality is fundamentally subjective or mind-dependent. There are different subsets of idealism and realism, and one of those subsets is materialism, a subset of realism. So these are not synonymous terms. One can be a realist without being a materialist, but one cannot be a materialist without being a realist. If one holds to idealism, one does not hold to realism, and by extension, not to materialism. So what differentiates these subsets of realism and idealism? What makes them distinct? Well, one distinction is the nature of the conceptual. So let's examine what place the conceptual can have in an ontology, and specifically what place it has in materialism.